We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.